In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get help from Hostinger support. If you need assistance with your hosting account, website, or any technical issue, Hostinger makes it very easy to reach support directly from your account dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to do that so you can quickly ask questions and get guidance when you need it. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your hosting services, websites, domains, and account settings. Once you're inside, take a moment to look around the dashboard so you can easily spot the support tools available to you. From here, look for the option labeled Ask AI. This feature is designed to help you get support quickly by letting you type your questions or explain the issue you're having. Go ahead and click on Ask AI to open the support chat area. Once the chat window appears, feel free to raise your concerns and ask your questions clearly. You can describe problems related to your website, hosting plan, email setup, domain connection, billing questions, or anything else you need help with inside Hostinger. The more clearly you explain the issue, the easier it will be to receive useful guidance. For example, instead of saying that something is not working, it helps to briefly mention what you were trying to do and what happened when the problem occurred. When writing your message, keep it simple and specific. If there's an error message on your screen, you can mention that as well, but avoid sharing sensitive personal information in the chat unless it is absolutely necessary and requested through official support channels. This helps keep your account secure while still allowing support to assist you effectively. Ask AI can be a convenient first step because it may provide instant answers to common questions and basic troubleshooting steps. If your concern needs more advanced support, this process can also help guide you toward the next level of assistance available within Hostinger. That's all you need to do to get help from Hostinger support. Open your account, click Ask AI, and type your concern or question in the chat. It's a straightforward way to get assistance without searching through multiple pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how to contact Hostinger support quickly and confidently.